5D perception on spiritual healing. 3D perspectives on spiritual healings are for people to draw light to their shadows, to discover their trapped emotions, discover their inner fears. The 5D perception of spiritual healing is no one needs healing because everybody is already perfect. We just bring people up. We polish them off. No matter where they are, we love them. We bring them up. We tell them that they're amazing. We tell them that they're wonderful, and we polish them off to where they want to be. And we love them where they are. We bring them up and we clean them off. They shine a little bit brighter. And as we all move towards shining one another, building one another up, the light becomes more and more powerful. And less of the darkness, stickiness holds us. And we begin to move as a conscious humanity in amazing directions of our choosing from this higher, enlightened, positive 5D perspective, the spiritual quest.